Guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something super tasty, always albacio is from South Italy. We use a lot this. I'm going to make finocchi gratinati, baked fennel. What we need: fennel, breadcrumbs, tomatoes, capers, oregano, a little bit of Parmesan, some olives, pineapple. The oven gonna be preheat. Take a nice bowl, start cut thin like that. We are not gonna be very precise, we are not master chef, but we cook always albacio and very nice. And always guys, if you like this video, subscribe on channel if you can, check our website and share with friends. Okay guys, all fennel is done. Any olives you like, okay? Capers, of course, if you like. 5, 6 tomato inside if you like. Salt, pepper, pine nuts, some oregano, olive oil, quite nice amount. Mix. Here is my little help. Rocco, you see? Now add this Parmesan, breadcrumb, mix again everything. Okay guys, the mix is ready. Now take the tray. I put baking paper, but if you know, it's not obligatory. Some oil on bottom, everything inside. Perfect. This oregano was left, just put on the top. The breadcrumb put on the top, salt and pepper on the top, a little bit of olive oil. This is a masterpiece guys, go in the oven for 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later, okay? Guys, my fennel is ready. Guys, the cooking time was 200 degrees, 25 minutes. Okay, guys, my baked fennel is this. It's a little bit warm. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.